Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful one pair of socks. I hope you like it. I use only slip stitches here. This is a long socks. This is joining part. This is toe part, and you can fold it like that. It's so simple, only making slip stitches. This is this is brim also. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I use here an acrylic yarn, also near one pair of 150 grams yarn I used, and 4mm hook I use in that socks. You can make it for more smaller. You can use same number of stitch, but more thinner yarn, or you can, I told in the video, you can change the numbers. I give centimeters. You can play these numbers and catch which number you want. I use this yarn, Madame Tricot Paris Favori yarn. This is size category is 3 light, and they recommend us using 4 or 5mm hook. I use 4mm hook, and this color number is 113. One ball is 100 grams, and it's equal to 3.5 ounces. It's equal to 230 yards and 210 meters. It's 100% of acrylic. Also, this is for winter socks. You can change your quality of yarn, for example using cotton yarns, and change it for spring. Hope you will try that. So simple and so fast crocheting. One night or 2 nights you will have one pair of beautiful cozy socks. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful winter socks. And I want to remember that if my video comes so speedy, you can click the 3 dots on the right of the screen, please, and slow me down. Okay, thanks a lot for your kind comments again. Hope we will be together more and more years. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so cute socks. Let's start to crochet. We crochet the sock like that, only one piece. Okay, overall we start from this side, and we made here decreases and increases on our stitches. Then when you, here is the toe part. Okay, this is seamless, only we sew the toe part. We crochet all these rows. When we come to heel part, we make here increases. I will tell them. So simple. Only make here slip stitches. You can see that it's beautiful. Only one piece. Let's start. I want to give the measurements in Europe size. This sock is 39-40. Okay, my foot. This is from toe to the top, 38 centimeter. Okay, if you want to make it more little number, you need, I made here with 4mm hook, size 3 yarn. I give the yarn details from beginning of the video. With all of them, I made here 80 stitches. But if you want to make it more little, you need to make less stitches. Okay, we will start our pattern with slip knot. Then make 81 chains. Not make them so tight, not loosey. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made my chains, and I want to give the chains centimeter to you. Look at that, it's 46 nearly. Now skip this very first. Okay, I want to make you more closer. skip this very first, start from the second, insert, grab my yarn, hold it like that and make slip stitch. Here, 1. Next one, 2. First row is a little hard. After that rows, it will be more easier and so fast. 3, 4. I insert, grab and directly insert the loop. Okay, like that. At the end of this row, I will have 80 slip stitches. I come to end and turn to you. I made my 80 slip stitches. Now chain 1 and turn, not count that. Okay. From the beginning and the end of the row, like brim part, we will make here single crochets. Okay. Also not single crochet, take both loops, make slip stitch again, but take both loops from the first stitch only and the last stitch. Then next, all the between of them, we will take back loop, make slip stitch, insert the back loop, grab my yarn, slip stitch, insert back loop, grab my yarn, slip stitch, like that. I will come to end like that. 80 slip stitches make using only back loop. I come to end of the stitch, I will turn. I come to last stitch, I take both loops and make slip stitch again. Now chain 1 and turn my work and not count that chain 1 as a stitch. Now we will crochet. You know we have here 80 stitches. Now we will crochet 72 slip stitches. We left here 8 stitch, not crochet. Okay. Again, this is the first stitch, so I insert both loops and make my slip stitch. Then using back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will crochet like that. When left here 2, 4, 6 and 8 stitch, I will turn to you. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches, chain 1 and turn my work, not count again. I'm not at the end, so I will keep crocheting using back loop, insert and make my slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will keep crochet as same as, come to end, I will have 72 slip stitches. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end, take both loops, make my slip stitch, last stitch, chain 1 and not count, turn my work. This time we have here 72 slip stitches. When we come here, we crochet 2 stitches more here, so we increase that 74. Okay, I will make my slip stitches and come to here and turn to you. I crochet 72 slip stitches. Now we need to increase and we not make here, we don't want to make here a hole, so I insert my hook. This is our turning chain 1. I insert here, then come to next stitch, back loop, grab my yarn and make my slip stitch. 1, insert the next one, 2. So I increase here 74. Okay, increase 2 stitch more. I have here now 74 stitches. Chain 1 and turn and make our usual back loop slip stitches. 1, 2, 3. I will complete this 74, then turn here with 74. When I come here, I will turn to you and we will increase 2 stitch more. We will increase it 76. Okay, I going like that and turning come here and turn to you. I crochet my 74 slip stitches. Now we need to increase. This is the previous row's chain one. Okay, I insert here because I don't want to make here any hole. Then insert this is the 75th. Let's make my slip stitch. This is the 76th. I will crochet 76 slip stitches. Then chain one and turn again 76. When I come here, I will increase 2 more and I will make here 78. Then chain one and turn, crochet 78 stitches, then chain one and turn, crochet 78. When you come to do 78, you need to increase 2 more and make 80 stitches. Complete this. Okay, I will crochet those 4 rows, actually more. Make here 80 stitches. I will turn to you. We will increase every 2 rows 2 stitches more. Okay, 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. I complete and turn to you. This is the technique of these socks. I complete this after turn to you. I come here and increase 80 stitches and I turn back with chain one. Okay, now we will crochet these 80 stitches. We can look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will crochet totally 12 rows with 80 stitches. I increase to 80 stitches. This is the first row, then turn, this is second. We will crochet totally 12 rows with 80 stitches, not make any increase or decreases. Okay, I complete my 12 rows after turn to you. I crochet totally 12 rows with 80 stitches. Okay, now this time we will increase our stitches row by row. Now we will decrease our stitches row by row. Okay, you know, we crochet totally 12 rows 80 stitch. Now I turn and I crochet. This time we will make the same thing here but symmetrical. Okay, so we start to make 78, 76, 74, 72. Okay, I crochet 78 stitches. Now left these 2 here, chain one and turn my work. Insert back loop and make slip stitches using back loop only. I crochet all these 78 stitches, then turn and crochet 76 and left here 2. I crochet here and turn back and turn to you. I crochet 76 stitches and left here 2 again. Now chain one and turn my work. I crochet 76 again, then turn. This time I crochet 74, left 2. Crochet 74, turn. This time crochet 72, turn back, and I will turn to you and I will show you how we can close this step by step. Okay, 78, 76, 74, 72. I complete those rows after turn to you. Look at that. I crochet 72, turn, crocheted it, then complete here. $72. Okay, now we need to complete it 80 in this row because we crochet 80, 78, 76, 74, 72. Crochet 72, turn. Now complete this 72 to 80. How we will do that as same as previous rows, chain 1 loop. I find it here. Insert the previous rows loop, make slip stitch. This is 73. Here next one 74. Then find this loop here, insert here 75. Next one 76. Here I have 3 loops, pull through. This is 77, 78, 79 and 80. We close this. Now we will crochet 80 stitch here as same as chain 1 and turn my work. Start from, I will in the beginning take both loops, make my slip stitch, then insert back loop and keep crocheting my slip stitches. Totally I will have 80 slip stitch. I come to end and turn to you. Come to end, the last stitch, insert the both loops and make my slip stitch. This is 80. Chain 1 and turn. One more row, I crochet totally 80 stitch, then turn 80 stitch. Come here, I will turn to you. 2 rows, I crochet 80 stitches. Okay, one this side, one this side. 80, 80. I make after turn to you. I crochet totally 80 stitches, you know, here, and come to here. Now we will start to make this heel part. I want to give its centimeter to you. We will make here increases. How we start here 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80, we will increase like that. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. Okay, 5 times we will increase that until come to find the 80, number of 80. I will tell you step by step. Here start to increasing for the heel. I use after 36 stitch. My 36 stitch is equal to 16 centimeter. It's equal to 6.5 inches. Okay, now we will crochet 36. You can adapt these stitch numbers, which number you want. You can maybe I have 80 stitches, I use 36. It's so close to 40. You can divide it by 2 and make your heel between of that. Okay, it's not important. Now from the first stitch I take both loops, make my first slip stitch, then add here 35 more. I crochet 36 stitches. Come to next stitch, insert back loop again, grab my yarn, not make here slip stitch. I will make here 3 single crochet. 1 in the same stitch, 2 in the same stitch, 3. Then keep make next stitch my slip stitch until left here 8 stitch, as same as here we do the same thing. I crochet 72 stitches, not 72. We make here increases. I want to tell you the same thing. We will do the same thing here. Left here from here 2, 4, 6 and 8 stitch left, then turn back. I will crochet my slip stitches. Left here 8 stitches, you know, chain 1 and turn my work. Make my again slip stitches. I make my slip stitches. Come to previous rows inclusive. You know we have here 3 single crochet. First single crochet, I crochet a slip stitch. When you come to the second one, the middle stitch, insert the back loop and we will make again our increase. 3 single crochet on it. 1 in the same, 2 in the same, 3. As same as keep make my slip stitches again. Like that. I will make my slip stitches this way, then chain 1 and turn. Come to this increasing point, I will turn to you. I turn and come to increasing point again. Here 3 single crochet, insert the first one and crochet as usual slip stitch. Come to second one, the middle stitch, insert the back loop and make 3 single crochet in the second stitch. 2 and 3. Make my increase again. Then keep making slip stitches. 2 slip stitches. Now we will add here 2 more and increase that 74. Previous rows chain 1 loop I insert because I don't want to see any holes. Next stitch I insert, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, 73, next one, 74. Chain 1 and turn my work. Then make my slip stitches when you come to this increasing point. First single crochet, as usual, slip stitch. The second, you will make your increase with 3 single crochet. Then make your slip stitches, chain 1 and turn. When you come to increasing point, make 3 single crochet in the middle stitch. Then come here, previous row you crochet 74. Now you will add 2 more, 76. Turn, make your increase, crochet, turn, again make your increase, come here and increase that to 78. Turn, make your increase, keep crocheting, turn, make your increase, come here and make 80 slip stitches. I complete this 80 after turn 2. I come to end, make my last increase and complete this 80 stitch. Insert that previous rows loop, insert here, pull through all together, 79 and 80. Now we will turn back 80 again, not 80 of course, we make here increases, but you know the technique. I want to say as same as this part, only making the heels increasing. I will make here one more increase here. Okay, chain 1 and turn my work. Make my slip stitches. I come to previous rows increasing point, this 3 single crochet. The first single crochet is same as slip stitch. The second one, make my last increase 3 single crochet in the second stitch. Then make my slip stitches again using back loop. So you can see here 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. So you will make 10 times increasing. Okay. Now I will make my slip stitches. Then you know here this line. We repeat these 80, totally 12 rows. We crochet 2 rows here with 80 stitches. So we left 10 times 10 rows. We will crochet, not make any increases. Every stitch we will make slip stitches. Okay. Not make any increase. After that 10 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We will crochet every stitch a slip stitch. 10 rows, not make any increase. Keep the same number of your stitches. I will say how many stitch you have. Okay. I will crochet like that, and then we will count and I will tell you how many stitch you crochet. You will crochet totally 100 stitches because we will increase 10 times. We crochet in one stitch 3 stitch and using one in the starting stitch number, so we increase every row 2 stitches, so multiples of 10, it's increasing 20 stitches. We increase that. I have here 100. I keep this number 10 rows. I will crochet 10 rows, 100 stitch. I complete my 10 rows, then we will decrease this heel and finish our socks. I complete and turn. I crochet after we will increase, 80 stitch. It's increase with that 1 stitch, 3, make 3 stitch in 1 stitch. After our 80 stitch row comes to 100 stitches. Okay, then totally we have 10 rows with 100 stitches. Now we will this time start to decrease this part and take the 80 stitches again. So we crochet 3 stitch together this time. We crochet increasing 3 stitch in 1 stitch. Now we will crochet 3 stitch together and decrease it to the 1. At the end these rows I will do the same thing, chain 1 and turn my work. First stitch always both loops make slip stitch, then using back loop 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I crochet 43 slip stitches using back loop. Now here are middle stitch, 3 stitch. Insert the back loop, grab my yarn, insert the second loop, grab my yarn, insert the third loop, grab my yarn. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. Then make my slip stitches again. Keep making. Also we start to not also decreasing but doing the same symmetrical thing here. What will we do again, same as here. This time I will left here 2 stitch, not crocheted. After this row 4 stitch, after this row 6. Okay, I will show you. I crochet after decreasing 52 slip stitches. Left here 2, so totally here 54. I crochet here 43, 1 decreasing stitch 44, totally 98. So we decrease 100 to 98. Okay. Now chain 1, not crochet these 2, and turn my work and again start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I make my stitches, come to this decreasing. Here are decreasing stitch. One before I'm not crochet. I will crochet these 3 together. This is previous rows decreasing, one before and one after. Okay. It's not so important counting always. You will know we will always decrease one before decreasing and one after stitch together. Here, insert back loop, grab, insert the previous rows decreasing, grab, insert the one after stitch. I have 4 loops together. I will decrease one more time. Then keep crocheting again. I will make my stitches, chain 1 and turn, and come to decreasing point. I will turn to you. I come to decreasing point and I crochet 41 stitches here. One before I insert, previous rows decreasing stitch I insert, and one after of that 3 stitch together, grab my yarn. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. Then keep as same as crocheting. Now I will crochet, you know that we will left here 2 stitch and turn back. Okay. Then decrease here, crochet, turn back, again decrease, crochet here, left here 2 more. You will repeat it 5 times, so totally you will decrease it to, remember from here, 72. Okay, actually this is our main number is 72. Of course we decrease, we increase and decreasing here, not take this increase and decreasing in this subject. Okay, you will think about that. We will decrease it 80, 78, this time 76, 74, 72. Okay, you will every 2 row left here 2 stitch until you will make this 5 times and keep decreasing the heel again. At the end of, you will have here, we complete the row, we will have 80 stitch again. We will take our main number again. I will keep repeat like that. I will show you one more time here. After you will keep repeat that as same as. I come here and left these 2 stitch again, chain 1 and turn my work. I will make my stitches. When I come to this decreasing point, the decreasing stitch, one before and one after, crochet together as same as. Then come here, left 2 more, left here 2 more. You know that 2, 4, 6, then 8 and 10 stitch we will step by step left here. I complete them after turn. I complete this, you can see that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here 72 stitches. Now we will get these stitches and complete here 80. Chain 1 and turn my work. First one both loops. Then start to make our slip stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here now I'm not make any decreases. Okay, make a slip stitch in every each stitch using back loop. Okay, Now I come at the end, make slip stitch. Here 72. Now get the previous row's chain once loop and insert the next one. Make one slip stitch. I have inserted 3 loops, 73. Next one 74. Insert previous row's chain 1 loop. Next loop 75, 76. 77, 78, 79 and 80. That's it. Now chain 1 and turn my work. First stitch both loop, then using back loop, make a slip stitch in every each stitch. One row we will make a slip stitch in every each stitch, and I come here, I will turn to you. I come to top. Now we will join to toe, and we will join 2 sides together. I put them together, insert the opposite sides, first stitch both loops here and make a slip stitch. Then turn my work. Here front loop, here back loop, and make slip stitch. One side's front loop, one side back loop. Join with a slip stitch like that. Also here only one loop. I take this and here back loop. Okay. I will join it until come to this end, then we will join this toe part. I will turn to you. I join all of them and come to toe part. Here on the corner both loops I will take again. Also you can make here a single crochet, then keep joining this toe part here. As same as take the loops. Also you can insert from this chain 1 loops here. Keep joining. Chain 1 and cut my yarn. Then hide my tail. Then turn it to the other side. Here joining part, hide this tail too. Yes, this is our so cute socks. Here, the second pair of here. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple and so beautiful and so cozy, so warm. It's for winter. Also, you can make it with cotton yarns for spring. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. And you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.